Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to capture your Google Chrome browser in OBS. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, launch your OBS and make sure to take a scene here and click on this plus icon for sources and click on window capture and make sure to launch your Google Chrome browser. You can rename this layer, click on OK, and here click on window and make sure to select Chrome and click on OK. So that's how you can capture Google Chrome browser in OBS. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.